With the navigation function of your infotainment system, you'll reach your destination quickly and safely. Learn how to easily operate your navigation system and find out which functions are there to assist you on your journey, helping to make everyday driving and longer trips even more relaxed. To switch to the navigation map, press the Nav button. Now tap on Menu to enter a destination. You can search for different types of destinations, such as addresses or points of interest. Let's select an address. First, make sure that the country of the address is set accordingly. Then enter the city name and select the correct match. Continue with the street name. And house number. Finally, confirm the address. On the navigation map, you can easily change the map orientation, zoom in or out, or access additional map settings. To cancel your active route guidance or add an additional destination to your route, tap on Menu. Let's add a petrol station to your route. Tap on Points of Interest. Scroll down the list to Petrol Station. Select Petrol Station. You can sort the list of results by different criteria. Let's choose On the Route. Now select your preferred petrol station and add the destination to your route. You could similarly search for other points of interest, such as restaurants. Did you know that there is another convenient way to enter an address? Just tap on the Search button. Then start entering the address. And select the correct match. Now start the route guidance by confirming the address.